Give this Shovelhead a chance because it gets better the more you look. Good looking single down tube frame. But check out these heads. That says born free on it. There was nobody around to ask. I'm super curious to hear the story behind those rocker box covers. Did he make them, or was somebody selling those at one point or another? And again, this is no invited builder. This thing's plated. Could be a vendor's, but it looks like somebody wrote it here. You can tell between the paint job and that engraving, somebody put some love into this thing. Let's have another look at the frame. With that single down tube, you get a better view of the engine. I would assume that's a casting where the steering head, down tube, and backbone come together, and that's just been polished beautifully. There's so many cool bikes scattered around. I end up having to miss some just because I run out of time.